Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So y'all are probably wondering what I did to my hair. Honestly, I did something very, very, very stupid, and I'd rather just not talk about it. So I'm just gonna straighten the hair, make it lay flat or whatever. Keep on watching if you're interested in watching me transform this hair into this. Keep on watching. Hey Fancies! This is going to be my first time attempting to do a serious voiceover. So, as you all saw on the first clip, I started off by sectioning my hair off with my hands and took the pick to start detangling the hair. And y'all, I tangled this hair so bad that this way was not the way. I had to change to detangling brush real quick. Also, I forgot to mention, before starting this process, I washed the hair and sprayed some heat protectant on it. And I know I said I wasn't going to explore the why this hair is so tangled, but let's just say I tried some experiments and it just didn't go well. Honestly, for these type of things, you need patience. It took me about an hour to get this hair looking right. Don't get fooled, you know? This is all fast paced. But I went ahead and repeated the steps. Section, detangle, straighten. Section, detangle, straighten. I just want to slide back in here and tell y'all some specs about this hair. I've had this hair for about 15 months, been wearing it on and off. The hair doesn't usually tangle. The only reason why it's so bad right now is just because I tried a really stupid experiment and it turned out really bad. But I have 4 bundles of 20 inches. Can't remember the texture, but I want to say that it's Brazilian, straight Brazilian with a Malaysian straight 5x5 closure. It's good hair, to be honest. I'm not very picky with hair, but I do tend to be a little... Since I do spend my money on it, but this one was not too expensive. I didn't spend big money on it. So I can tell you that it was definitely worth it. So if I find the hair, I will link it down below. You dig? Finally done with the whole detangling. Now it's time to redefine the middle part, and I went ahead and grabbed an eyeshadow that's about the same color as my skin to do so. And once that was done, I sprayed my hair with some leave-in conditioner just to give it some shine, you know what I mean, you dig? And sprayed some Gots to Be on my flyaway so that they can lay down and stay down. But honestly, you guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it interesting. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye. Love you.